Hey, let me show you how we can fix connection issues of the Xiaomi Watch S4. So first of all, I will actually start with performing the reset of this device. So when you are on that QR code screen, you have to just click on this small information icon and now go to the system and go into factory reset. Click to erase all data. Now just wait a while and try to connect it one more time. If it is still not working, then you can simply close the Mi Fitness application on your device and start with simple reset of your Bluetooth settings. I mean, not even reset, just a simple restart. Now, if it is still not working, then I will actually go into the settings on your phone and you have to navigate to the system settings and you have to search for reset options. And now I will highly recommend you to perform the reset of your Bluetooth settings. So you have to click right here and now click reset. Now, if it's not helping you, then I will perform the soft reset of your phone. So simply just select to restart. And now I will actually try another one tip. So go to the Mi Fitness application and check if you have the latest version. So you know, sometimes the application is outdated, and as you can see with the new updates, it's actually fixing some bugs. So be sure that you have the new version of this application. And now you can just simply, if you just go through the all steps, then select language, go to the device, select to add device, and select this Xiaomi Watch S4 from the list. But you can also try to add model. And for example, you can manually search for the Xiaomi Watch S4 and select this from the list. And then just tap on it one more time and accept the pairing request. So as you can see, in my case, everything is fine. But if you have some kind of the issue, then I will actually highly recommend you to perform all of those tips that I just gave you in this video.